Welcome to another virtual tour. You're in locators.ph in the best properties in the Philippines. We are today at Orani, Bataan, and the property the client is asking for a location nearby commercial spaces. So what we have right here is beside Villa Encarnacion in Orani, Bataan, and pakita lang natin yung vicinity ng area. As you can see, meron pang mga palayan sa likod pero punong-puno na ng kabahayan. So it's an ideal place for development. Meron ng mga registered commercial business sa paligid. And hitik na sa market dahil ang dami mong magiging client dahil madami ng kabahayan. This is a 2024 rendition of the Google Maps. So in 2 years time, madami nang nagbago. The Cementi is still standing and puntahan ng mga Camellia residents ito. Meron din siyang mga private resorts. So I think in this area, nasa 10 ang mga resort dito. Mukhang maganda ang flow ng water. The Manami Taiyaki Cafe is also here. Up ahead is the public market and Tugatog Pure Gold. So kantuhan siya dahil ito na ang palengke. Ito na ang Orani Public Market. So again, ang ating property is 1,000 square meter and the owner is asking to sell it and market it for 15 million pesos. It's titled, it has tax declaration and complete documents, and as you can see, it's along the highway. So, pakita na natin yung ating property. Now that you have seen the vicinity map, ayan. Commercial Sevilla Encarnacion. This is actually a good place to go for relaxation. Malawak ang kanilang spaces, function halls, and okay siya for debuts, birthdays, and yan. So, Villa Encarnacion is a famous and popular destination for debut, celebrations, ganyan. But this is our property. Actually, si property has already improved. This is already cemented hanggang dun sa kanyang dulo. Hindi na maaabot ni Google Map. But this is the property. Medyo okay ang prontahe. Kasya ang dalawang sasakyan. Although sa commercial spaces, of course, ang gusto nila is ganitong frontage. Yan, napakaganda nito. 2, 3, 4, 5 cars ang kasya. So here's the farmer's kitchen and Villa Encarnacion and this property right here. So kung sino po yung mga gusto, if you have clients looking for a very strategic place, booming ang development ni Orani. It used to be one of the first three districts in Bataan, very progressive. So this is our property for sale. Malawak siya hanggang doon sa likod. Ang struggle lang is ang frontage dahil dalawa lang ang kotseng kasya sa harap and tatlo dito sa kung nakapaganon. For those who are interested, send me a message. You can send this virtual tour to your clients and we'll arrange all the documentation you need, title, tax declaration, and everything you might need to inspect or due diligence this property. So that's all for today. Thank you for another online tour with us. Until next time. Bye.